How many zeros are there in 1,000,000? 4, 5, 6, 7. The correct answer is 6. What ingredient gives pesto its bright green color? Spinach, mint, basil, parsley. The correct answer is basil. Which of these common pain relievers does not contain ibuprofen? Advil, Motrin, Tylenol, Nurofen. The correct answer is Tylenol. Which iconic car model appears in the Back to the Future film series? Mustang, DeLorean, Corvette, Thunderbird. The correct answer is DeLorean. What vaccination do doctors recommend if you step on a rusty nail? Rabies shot, flu shot, tetanus shot, hepatitis shot. The correct answer is tetanus shot. Land of Enchantment is the nickname for which U.S. state? New Mexico, Minnesota, Connecticut, Virginia. The correct answer is New Mexico. Which of the following is the capital city of the Bahamas? Nassau, Baku, Luanda, Lusaka. The correct answer is Nassau. Which company is currently the largest energy producer in the world? Shell, ExxonMobil, Aramco, Chevron. The correct answer is Aramco. Steel is an alloy composed mainly of iron and what element? Aluminum, copper, carbon, nickel. The correct answer is carbon. Jollof rice is a beloved dish from which region of the world? Southeast Asia, East Africa, West Africa, the Caribbean. The correct answer is West Africa. Which island chain off the coast of Africa is named after a bird? Canary Islands, Falkland Islands, Pelican Islands, Dove Islands. The correct answer is Canary Islands. What famous stone artifact helped scholars decode ancient Egyptian hieroglyphs? The Sphinx tablet, the Rosetta Stone, the Pyramid Scroll, the Book of the Dead. The correct answer is the Rosetta Stone. Who composed the original The Mission Impossible theme music? Hans Zimmer, Lalo Schifrin, John Williams, Danny Elfman. The correct answer is Lalo Schifrin. Mount Olympus, known as the home of the Greek gods, is the tallest mountain in which? Italy, Greece, Turkey, Cyprus. The correct answer is Greece. In Search of Lost Time is a 7-volume novel written by which European author? Marcel Proust, Leo Tolstoy, James Joyce, Thomas Mann. The correct answer is Marcel Proust.